YouTube is finally introducing a new feature that will allow you to link short form videos to long form videos as a suggested video. I'll show you how to check if you have access right now to this feature, but let's talk about how this could negatively affect you and the platform. First off, some good things, at least for YouTube. Some things that I can think of this feature giving YouTube is enhanced engagement, perhaps gaining a user's attention quickly and then funneling them over into a related interested topic could allow new audience members to find your content, which leads to the second thing, which is viewer satisfaction. I'm wondering if YouTube is testing this feature to see if they can get more satisfaction because a user can find more information about a topic that they're interested in, especially if they see it on the Shorts feed. Could they potentially want to watch longer form content if it's a topic that they were served and that they are interested in and have an easy way of getting to it? Of course, there's going to be monetization opportunities for both the creator and YouTube because the creators can monetize longer form videos better than short form. So hopefully that'll increase both the creator's revenue and YouTube's revenue if they can successfully get people from short form videos onto longer form videos. Now the cons of this is things that we've already experienced, but let's first check out if you have access to this feature. Then we'll get into the negatives. According to YouTube,
we're introducing a safer way for creators to direct viewers from Shorts to their YouTube content by the end of September.
This will be applied by the end of September.
This feature, which is called Related Video in Shorts, has started rolling out. Once the feature becomes available on a creator's channel, they must have access to advanced features in order to add a related video to their Shorts.
So in order for a creator to use this, they're requiring them to have access to advanced features, which not all of us do, depends on where we're at in the YouTube journey. And you will be eligible if you verify yourself either with a phone number and or a real ID. That typically unlocks the access to those advanced features.
You'll know if you have access if you can see related video in the edit flow in Studio.
So this is important. As you can see in the bottom right, they show us under video details. So presumably this is a Shorts video. You would have a related video option where you can select a related video to that YouTube short. Now that we know where to find it, let's see if I have it here. If I go to content and I find a short, I got plenty of them. I'm gonna hit details and then go to the bottom right. Right now I have visibility, restrictions, subtitles, end screen, cards, and this is where I would expect to see the new related video feature. Assuming you do have this, let me know if you got access to it in the comment section below. I would love to know, and also what you think about the feature. Now let's talk about some of the reasons that this may suck for creators. Not all things are great with this because we might see viewer drop off, especially people who are interested in watching short form content. This might lead to some viewership dropping off early on in a long form content video if someone has clicked over from short form to long form video and they're not willing to watch much of it. That could drive our watch time down, which is a big metric that YouTube looks at. Second thing I can think of here is some users might just find this transition between short form and long form videos a jarring experience because they're watching one type of content and then all of a sudden getting thrown into a different type. Number three, this might create challenges for the creators. Now it's not only about making short form and long form videos, it's about how can you craft your short form videos to be attention grabbing enough and to drive users into longer form, in-depth conversation formats, which is quite frankly hard to do. And we already have this hard enough. Seems like an experiment by YouTube. And finally, the last thing I want to talk about is content quality. If we're incentivized to produce a vast amount of content as creators, being both short form and long form, as well as some mix in between to get you between the two, this just inherently causes an issue of overproducing and not maintaining substance, or basically just maintaining that overall content quality, which audience members definitely want. Anyways, there's potential benefits here, like promoting your own long form videos. At least there's a bridge between the two now, which YouTube has been promising us for a while now. They haven't seemed to quite make that bridge yet. As we all know, it's hard to get short form video audience members over to long form. There's pros and cons here. Let me know if there's some pros and cons you can think of in the comment section below. If you need the ability to edit your videos in bulk, check out EditBulk.com. for a free tool that allows you to change up all your titles and descriptions of your videos in bulk. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe below, hit that notification bell for more YouTube tips and tricks. I'll catch you in another video. Thanks for watching.